something, travel through nothing. The past, present, and future is but an illusion.
Genius, April 25th on National Geographic.
Forever bound to one another. Steer us from the darkness. Free us from earthly cares. Fill our hearts with love. And help us become a perfect vessel of your truth. So it is witnessed. So it will be.
The Path. New episode Friday at 10. Missed an episode? Catch up at showcase.ca.
We ran out of time. We ran out of money.
They better take care of this. They don't have the budget for therapists down the road.
With a little vision, you can really transform anything.
That's all I wanted to hear.
Save My Reno. New episode Wednesday at 10. Only on HGTV.
If you go looking for trouble, you will always find it.
That's what heroes do. They fight.
Supergirl. New episode tonight at 8 on Showcase.
Action movies are very expensive. Take fight choreography and chase scenes, CG characters, and acting lessons.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Don't blame yourself.
Let's not forget about gym memberships, flying lessons, costume design, fake glass, tanks, and exploding 747s. And cleaning services. Yep, action movies certainly are expensive. Lucky for you, action isn't. Action, now in free preview.
On the next Real Housewives of Toronto.
Mommy's going to Barcelona!
I've never been to Barcelona. I'm excited.
Tell me about Barcelona.
It was incredible.
P.S. You weren't there.
The Real Housewives of Toronto. New episode next Tuesday on Slice.
This is the time of war. This is the time to hate.
Wednesday.
It must be hard for you through air to the great Ragnarok, but you turn out to be a cripple and a reject.
Close that breach!
To the great hall!
Astrid, we're in the wrong place!
You cripple bastard!
Vikings. All new Wednesday at 9 on History.